What is the Australian cattle dog's natural prey? The Australian cattle dog, also known as the Blue Heeler or Queensland Heeler, is a highly versatile and intelligent herding breed. Developed in Australia in the late 19th century, these robust and energetic dogs were bred for their endurance and herding instincts. Known for their distinctive blue or red mottled coat, they have become one of the most popular herding breeds in the world. But what is their natural prey? Being a working breed, the Australian cattle dog has a strong prey drive. This instinctive behavior is deeply embedded in their genes from their days of herding and working on ranches in Australia. While they may not necessarily have a specific natural prey, their natural instinct is to control and round up livestock. Cattle have been the primary focus of the Australian cattle dog's herding instincts. These dogs have an uncanny ability to control and move cattle, which makes them immensely valuable to farmers and ranchers. With their strong and agile bodies, they are capable of running alongside the cattle, nipping at their heels to direct them in the desired direction. This herding technique has made them invaluable as cattle drovers in Australia and other parts of the world. Apart from cattle, Australian cattle dogs can also exhibit their herding instincts on other animals such as sheep, goats, and even poultry. Their natural prey drive compels them to round up these creatures and keep them in a group. However, when it comes to hunting smaller animals for prey, their instincts may not be as strong. Due to their cattle herding background, Australian cattle dogs may not necessarily have the same intense prey drive as other hunting breeds. They are more inclined towards herding and controlling than chasing and attacking smaller animals. That being said, their herding instincts can sometimes blur the line between working and hunting. In some cases, Australian cattle dogs may exhibit predatory instincts towards smaller animals such as rabbits, squirrels, or birds. This behavior is more commonly seen in dogs that have not been properly trained or socialized. Without proper guidance, their prey drive may lead them to chase after fast-moving creatures or exhibit predatory behavior. It is worth noting that the natural prey drive of an Australian cattle dog can be managed and controlled through proper training and socialization. Early and consistent training can help redirect their instincts towards more suitable outlets, such as agility trials or obedience competitions. These dogs are incredibly trainable and eager to please, which makes them responsive to commands and able to suppress their natural instincts. In conclusion, the Australian cattle dog's natural prey revolves around its herding instincts rather than hunting smaller animals. Their primary focus is on controlling and directing livestock, particularly cattle. While they may exhibit some predatory behavior towards smaller animals, their primary instinct is to herd and work. By providing appropriate training and outlets for their energy, the natural prey drive of Australian cattle dogs can be effectively managed.